Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how the evaluation is going on for first year English TS intermediate. The exam was conducted very recently on 26th of November, so the actual evaluation started today only. So how they are giving marks, how they are awarding marks, these things we are going to discuss now. Here we go now. First we begin with, this is your question paper. So first year English general question paper. So we begin with section A, annotations. Suppose if you write the lesson name of the lesson and name of the author in a sentence, provided there are no mistakes, no grammatical and spelling mistakes, then they are giving 2 marks out of 4, 2 marks. If you identify the name of the lesson and name of the author, they are giving 2 marks. Okay, for example, the above given lines are taken from the lesson My Mother, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. If you write this sentence also, they are giving 2 marks. Okay, and if you are writing context explanation, they are giving full marks. Annotation, they are giving 4 out of 4. So side headings are optional. If you don't write also, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, but different paragraphs, we have to divide the answer into convenient paragraphs. Okay, at least 3 paragraphs: introduction, context, explanation. Critical comment is optional. Okay, but at least 3 paragraphs. Without side heading also, they won't matter. Okay, yes. Now coming to next one, second one is also annotations from poetry. First one is annotations from prose, second one is annotations from poetry. Same process. Okay, same method is applicable, same formula is applicable. Now come to the third one, paragraph questions. For paragraph questions, first of all we have to identify the name of the lesson, name of the author. At least 1 or 2 sentences we have to write about author. So without introduction, don't jump into the answer directly. First we give some brief introduction about the lesson and author. For example, explain with examples what the rule of the road means. On the rule of the road, so the lesson, the essay on the rule of the road was written by A.G. Gardner. He was a famous British essayist. Like that, at least 1 or 2 sentences we have to write about the author and name of the lesson in one paragraph. Then in the second paragraph you have to write about the answer. Okay, so that is the process. But in paragraph questions, they are not giving 4 out of 4. So if it is up to the mark, if it is flawless, if there are no mistakes in paragraph questions, 3.5, maximum 3.5. Annotations only they are giving 4 out of 4 full marks, but in question answers they are giving 3.5 only. Out of 4, 3.5 only. Okay, now same here, number 4, question number 4, paragraph questions, poetry. And number 5, paragraph questions, non-detail, same formula. In non-detail also, first of all we have to write something about the author in first paragraph, then answer. Okay, first author's background, then answer. At least 2 paragraphs must be there. Now come to section B, comprehension passages. In comprehension passages, directly you can write the answer, don't write the question. So as brief as possible. Briefly also you can write what kind of room did the old man enter. So it was the room was full of people and cigarette smoke. It was full of people and cigarette smoke. Full of people and cigarette smoke. That's enough. Okay, you need not write the full sentence. You need not elaborate it. If you write brief words also, dry words also, marks will be awarded. For example, true or false, false or true. That's enough. Okay. Now same second one also, Malavat Purna, comprehension passage over. Section B is over. Now section C. Now coming to the grammar part. Actual grammar part starts with question number 8, articles. Just number, answer, enough. So sentence is not required. I interviewed dash MP, an MP. First answer, an. Saina is dash first Indian, the first Indian. Second answer, B answer, the. A answer, an. B answer, the. So like that. So only answers are enough. Sentences are not required. Similarly, prepositions also. First one, my friend lives dash Delhi, in Delhi. So number A. Ninth one, outside the margin 9, inside A. Okay, 9A, in. That's enough. Don't write the sentence. Okay, sentences are not required here. In verb form also, question number 10, verb form also, only answer, number, answer, enough. And here, do as directed part, here full sentence is required. Active voice, passive voice, direct, indirect speech. Okay, question tag, degrees of comparison. Here, full sentence required. In question number 12 also, full sentence is required. For example, Suma is an popular anchor. Suma is a popular anchor. Actually, we are supposed to write a full sentence, but if you write only A also, they are considering, okay, error part. You are rectifying the error part. Then also they are giving the awarding the marks. But here we are supposed to write the full sentence actually. But if you don't write the full sentence also, they are giving marks. Okay, don't worry. And now missing letters. For example, P dash dash C E F U L, peaceful, E A P E A C E F U L. Full word we have to write. We are supposed to write. But if you write E A, only E A also, they will give marks. They are giving marks. Okay, don't worry about it. Now similarly, parts of silent letters. Climb, C-L-I-M-B. B is the silent letter. We have to write the word and underline B. Letter B we have to underline. But if you write only B also, number only B also, they are giving the marks. Okay. Now parts of speech. Either way we can write she, pronoun, second, adjective, like that. Okay. So and match the following. Just number, answer. Number 1. E, number 2, B, number 3, E. In that way also you can write, or directly meanings also you can write. Poignantly. Okay. So here in a deeply touching manner. Poignantly is equal in a deeply touching manner. Down to earth is equal practical or sensible. If you write in this way also, they are giving marks. Now come to question number 17, transcoding information. So you can choice is there, internal choice is there. You can draw the pie chart here. So if there is a pie chart with exact classification, exact division, and with this heading. So here favorite subjects of students in a college. The heading is favorite subjects of students in a college. So heading is must be there. Heading is a must. Then only they are giving 4 out of 4. If diagram is neat, if it is clear, up to the mark, parameters are accurate, heading, main heading is there, then only they are giving 4. Without heading, so 3.5 only. You can write this diagram, you can convert this tree diagram into a paragraph also. So the given tree diagram tells about the classification of human teeth. Human teeth are divided into 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So only one paragraph. Don't write point wise, only one paragraph here. So if there are no mistakes, they are giving 4 out of 4. Now question number 18, come to 18. Phonetics, but here we should not go, we should not do any mistake here. So spelling should be accurate. For example, just, J-E-S-T. If you write J-U-S-T, just, that is wrong. Okay, so there should not be any mistake, not even a single letter also. Okay, then only they are awarding the marks. Now odd sounds. So you can find out the odd sound. Baggage, luggage, suggest. Suggest is the answer. For example, if you write the 3 words and if you round up the suggest, the words suggest, if you round it up like this, even then also they are awarding marks. Okay. Yes. Now last question. Mention the number of syllables. Fate, 1 syllable. Fate is equal to 1 syllable. Or number 1, 1 syllable. Okay. Or monosyllabic word. 2 syllables means disyllabic word. 3 syllables means trisyllabic word. More than 3 means polysyllabic word. Either way you can write. So 1 syllable also you can write. Monosyllabic word also you can write. Correct. Disyllabic word also you can write, or 2 syllables also you can write. So they are giving the marks. Don't worry. Okay. If you forgot to sign on your OMR sheet, if you forgot to write the room number also, if there is no invigilator sign also, if you forgot to sign at the end also, if any pages are missing in between also, if you don't write P2 also, these are silly mistakes. They won't be considered. Don't worry. Nothing will happen. Don't take tense. If you are getting 24, 25 also, they are making it 35. Provided you have to write section A, something you have to write. Okay, section A, something must be there. Some stuff must be there. Then they are awarding marks. Okay, 24, 25, 26 also they are pulling up. Okay, so they can get through. They are adding marks. Okay, less than 24, less than 25 means it's very difficult. Okay, so there should be something. Section A should be there. Something should be there. Then they will give some marks to make you pass. Okay, so this is the process going on now. It is very student friendly. Okay, students, I hope that this video is very useful to you, very informative. So thanks for watching my videos. We meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.